Hey there, food fans! Welcome back to another delicious episode. Today we're diving into the vibrant and nutritious world of sweet potatoes. These colorful tubers are not only tasty, but also packed with a ton of nutritional goodness. Forget those bland, boring potatoes. Sweet potatoes are where it's at. They bring color and flavor to your meals. They're like the superhero of the veggie world, swooping in to save your diet. Don't let their sweet flavor fool you. These tubers are here to power up your health and fitness. Sweet potatoes are incredibly versatile. You can roast them, mash them, or even turn them into fries. From savory dishes to sweet treats, they add a burst of flavor and a nutritional punch to any meal. We're talking about a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, fiber, you name it, they've got it. Vitamin A, C, and B6, plus potassium and manganese. So buckle up as we explore why sweet potatoes deserve a permanent spot on your plate. Get ready to be amazed by this humble root's superpowers. Let's talk vitamins and minerals, folks. These tiny powerhouses are essential for our overall health and well-being. Sweet potatoes are like a treasure chest of nutrients, packed with goodness in every bite. They're bursting with vitamin A, which is crucial for good eyesight and maintaining healthy skin. Just one serving packs a powerful punch, giving your peepers a healthy boost. But wait, there's more. Sweet potatoes are also rich in fiber. These orange wonders are also a good source of vitamin C, which helps your immune system stay strong and aids in collagen production. Plus, they've got potassium for healthy blood pressure regulation and muscle function. And let's not forget manganese, which is essential for energy production and bone health. Talk about a nutritional powerhouse. Incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can be a delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. Now let's talk about fiber. Sweet potatoes are loaded with it, both soluble and insoluble. This dynamic duo works wonders for your digestion, keeping things moving and grooving. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is great news for everyone, especially those watching their sugar intake. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and keeping your gut happy. Section 4. Antioxidants, your body's best friend. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your body from damage. Think of them as tiny warriors fighting off harmful free radicals, which can wreak havoc on your cells. These antioxidants, like beta-carotene and anthocyanins, are responsible for the vibrant colors of sweet potatoes. The more color, the more antioxidants. So load up on those orange, purple, and even white varieties for a health boost. Section 5. Sweet potato, you're a versatile one, you are. One of the best things about sweet potatoes is their versatility. You can roast them, mash them, bake them, or even spiralize them into noodles. Get creative in the kitchen and let your culinary imagination run wild. For a sweet treat, try a sweet potato pie or some sweet potato cookies. The natural sweetness of these tubers shines through, making them a healthier alternative to refined sugars. Section 6. Fun facts about this rooty toot. Did you know that sweet potatoes are not actually potatoes? Despite their name, they are quite different from the regular potatoes you might be familiar with. They belong to a different plant family altogether. While regular potatoes are part of the nightshade family, sweet potatoes are part of the morning glory family. And here's another fun fact. Those orange beauties are often called yams, but that's a misnomer. True yams are a completely different species. Yams are starchier and have a rougher skin. They are native to Africa and Asia and are not as sweet as sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have a rich history dating back thousands of years. They were first cultivated in Central and South America. They have been a staple food in many cultures, providing essential nutrients and energy. In some cultures, they are even considered a symbol of prosperity and good health. So, next time you enjoy a sweet potato, remember you're savoring a bit of history. Whether baked, mashed, or fried, sweet potatoes are a delicious and nutritious part of our culinary heritage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment, and share this video.